Oh, you think that's impressive? Hold on to your blocks. You're going to love this. Prepare for launch in. Ah, ah, ah.
Woohoo!
We have liftoff.
Primary launch stage completed, engaging secondary. Ah, ah. We've reached space. Second stage complete. Ah. Chew.
Let's be friends 50.
Do. X, what's wrong? You look depressed.
Oh, I don't know. I just don't know what I am, or what my value is.
Then let's go to Blockzilla's cave. Maybe she can help.
So this is Blockzilla cave?
Yeah. We make sure that Blockzilla is alone. Put you on one side. And take something else.
Huh?
And put it on the other.
It is greater than X. Me like it. Ta
Too heavy. So we add some more. 2
times X.
equals 2x. Nope. Ooh. It's equal. Now we can figure out your value.
But for, there are too many numbers. We'll never figure it out.